Sytoxcar.
The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle is back, and it's like a blast from the past with a crazy futuristic twist. Picture this, a car that looks like it's been time traveling but still manages to fit right in with today's wild automotive trends. It's got that retro vibe that makes you think of old school muscle cars, but it's got all the new age stuff to make it a total head turner. Under the hood, the Chevelle packs a V8 engine that's got enough horsepower to make you feel like you're flying, even if you're just stuck in traffic. Plus, there's a hybrid option that's kind of like having your cake and eating it too: speed and fuel efficiency all in one. It's perfect for showing off your need for speed while still being eco-friendly, or at least feeling like you are. Inside, it's like Chevy took a time machine and brought back all the best parts of the old Chevelle but added a bunch of shiny new gadgets. Leather seats with cool stitching. Check. A giant touchscreen that does everything but make your morning coffee. Double check. It's like having your own personal tech haven on wheels, but with style. On the outside, the Chevelle is rocking a look that screams muscle car while winking at the future. It's got those classic features like the dual headlights and big grille, but it's also decked out with modern LED lights and flashy 20-inch wheels. It's basically the perfect mix of look at me and I'm still cool from way back when. Finally, you can make this Chevelle your own with a bunch of customization options. Want a retro look with all the bells and whistles? You got it. Prefer something super futuristic? No problem. The 2025 Chevelle is all about letting you show off your style while cruising down the road, making it the ultimate ride for anyone who wants to stand out and have a blast.